people who struggle with mental health are afraid to speak up. They worry others will judge them or being misunderstood. This makes it hard for them to ask for help, even when they really need it. So this inspired me to create something that helped break the fear. So I came up with the idea of an interactive flowers and a space where people can listen, reflect, and express their thoughts safely. The concept is built around flowers, a symbol of transform and make a thrive to them. Each flower has a story from someone who has facing mental health challenges. His voice reminds us that we are not alone. To bring this to life, I use Unity for the visual experience with particles effect using VFX graph, and Arduino with touch sensors to make the flower interactive. Here how the user experience works. First, the audience will wear the headphone and they can touch any of the flowers to begin. They'll listen to the two real story from the flowers. After that, it will guide them to speak up. In the end, a gentle message and claiming sounds will play. The whole experience is designed to let the people feel seen, heard, and support. And sometimes, just being here is a first step toward healing. Let's make a space for every voice because every story matters.